What I have here is the famous Fami chicken of Family Mart. So this is the legendary chicken in Tokyo. They sold 200 million pieces per year, and that is more than 500,000 pieces per day. And it costs you 180 yen. That's around 70 pesos per piece. So is this chicken healthy? Is this a junk food? Or you can make it a go-to chicken. YouTubers call it the most or the best tasting fried chicken in convenience store. So let's try this. Dr. J, welcome to our video number 14 of 365 days of our journey to health. So this is the Fami chicken ng Family Mart na nagpunta tayo sa Shinjuku Station. Try natin. This is 80 grams of chicken. Kung makikita ninyo, this is basically breaded. This is what they call yung thigh part. Hindi siya breast but a thigh. So you can see here na breaded siya and meaty, juicy. The good thing about Fami chicken is that number one is yung quality control nila. So they do this every day. Doon mismo sa store, meron silang fryer. And convenience. So meron siyang Family Mart every 200 meters in Tokyo. At the cost of 70 pesos, mga 180 yen, meron ka ng Fami chicken. The next question is kung is it nutritious? Is the Fami chicken nutritious? So for a price of 180 yen, that is 70 pesos, you can already have a 16 grams of protein. At the same time, mababa po ang kanyang carbohydrates at 10 grams. Ang fat niya is less than 5 grams only. Mas mataas pa yung fat ng isang buong egg, ng 1 boiled egg. Mas mataas pa ang cholesterol ng 1 boiled egg sa isang Fami chicken. So 16 grams of protein, mataas po yun for its value of 70 pesos. And if you can see the breading, ang breading niya is mas manipis compared sa ibang breading ng ibang chicken. And they use the karage type of breading, so they don't use starch but it's potato starch ang kanilang ginagamit. And this 1 palm size, kasi laki po siya ng palad, I will give you 240 calories. So mas mababa ang calories niya compared sa any piece ng chicken na mabibili ninyo versus doon sa mga common na convenience store o yung mga paborito ninyong fast food. So how does it taste? Titikman natin ang Fami chicken. It's juicy. Actually, malambot siya. Ang ginagawa ng iba, nakita niyo yung vlog natin na egg sandwich. Pinapalaman siya doon sa egg sandwich, in between the egg sandwich, para tumaas yung protein ng egg sandwich, diba? Sabi natin mababa ang protein ng egg sandwich. So with this, magiging 1 full meal na siya. And hindi siya maalat. This is only 600 milligrams of sodium. Walang buto. So, busin mo natin. So basically, kaya naman viral at number 1 go-to food or go-to snack in Tokyo ang Fami chicken because it gives you 240 calories. It gives you 16 grams of protein kagad. Mas less ang cholesterol niya compared sa ibang chicken. And it gives you just 10 grams of carbohydrates. And it's a good snack. Ang question, will you eat this every day? Of course not. 3 times a week will be okay. And I hope sana magkaroon ng Fami Chicken sa Pilipinas. So again, this is Dr. J po. Video 14 of 365 Days Journey to Health.